Hello friends, let's start with the first practice, seated mountain pose. Sit tall in your chair. Extend the crown of your head up towards the sky, lengthening your spine. Relax your shoulders down, away from your ears, and let your hands rest on your thighs. With a soft gaze and smiling eyes, look straight. The second practice is shoulder shrugs. Inhale your shoulders up towards your ears and then exhale and drop them down. Inhale and squeeze them up. Exhale and release them down. Repeat several times. You can add the challenge by raising your arms up, keeping your palms facing each other. You can do the same. Practice is shoulder clock. Lift your shoulder up. We'll call this 12 o'clock. Take them back to 9 o'clock. Release them down to 6 o'clock and then bring them forward to 3 o'clock. Keep your breath slow and deep and keep repeating this several times. Then reverse direction, taking the shoulder up, then forward, then down, then back. You can make it more challenging by doing it in a different way. Take your shoulder up, other shoulder down. When you're taking one forward, other should be back. One down, other up. One forward, other back. Like this, you can give challenge to your shoulder rotation. You have to do it in a both direction, forward and reverse direction. Do it very comfortably. The movement should be very smooth and comfortable. The next practice is hug arms. On inhalation, extend your arms out to the side. Try the hug arms variation. Inhale, extend your arms out to the sides and then exhale and hug with your right arm on top. Inhale your arms out to the side, then exhale and hug with your left arm on top. Continue for 5 to 10 breaths, synchronizing your movements with your breath and alternating the top arm in the hug. Inhale as you lengthen the crown of your head towards the sky, then exhale as you drop your chin to your chest and lift your chest to your chin. Notice which arm you choose to put on top. Stay there for several breaths, stretching out the back of your neck and your upper back. Relax. This is ear to shoulder. Rotate your head towards the right side along with your eyeballs. With exhalation, inhale, come back to the center. Exhale, rotate your head towards your left side. All this rotation you have to do along with the rotation of your eyeball as well. To make it more challenging, you can keep your right hand on your temple. While turning towards your right side, you feel the resistance from your hand. This will give extra resistance to your movement. Now the next practice is sweep your left hand behind you and hold your right arm above your elbow. Rotate your head so that nose point towards your shoulder. Inhale, rotate your head so that nose point towards the sky. You have to keep this in your mind that with exhalation, rotate your head so that nose point towards the shoulders and With the inhalation, rotate your head so that nose point towards the sky. Repeat this several times and synchronize this movement along with your breath. The next practice is sit straight and extend your neck. Inhale, take your head back and feel the stretch on your neck. Exhale, come back to the starting position. You can repeat this neck stretching several times and synchronize with your breath. Do all these practices and strengthen your neck and shoulders. Thank you so much.